2005 BMW X5 4.4 liter N62 with 156,897 miles. This is the engine test. Let's get the engine started. And then I disconnected the air suspension and all the other junk already. So anyway, you see the mileage. Now this thing has a misfire on cylinders 6 and 8. But it runs really good. You know, the timing is good. It sounds good. It has a little bit of a misfire from the second one in and the fourth one in on the right side. 6 and 8. So that's what the code said. P0306 and P0308. And then P0300 for a random misfire. So it could be coils, plugs, you know. I don't think it's injectors, you know what I mean? A lot of those codes are calling for coils and plugs. Personally, I would probably change also the PCV diaphragms in each one of these. That's good maintenance. I don't know. But I mean, she sounds pretty good. You can see it vibrating a little bit. I'll go back by the exhaust and maybe you can hear that a little better. You can hear it. Anyway, just wanted to do that before I pulled this motor. Check engine lights on because of it. Let's see if the codes are in there. Look at it jumping around. Alright, 3 codes. The second line down, DTC's in this ECU. Read the codes. Current codes. P0300, random misfire. P0308, number 8. P0306, number 6. And that's the end of it.